Hi, this dance is called Don't Tell Me, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on October 2024. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. There is 1 restart on wall 4 after 16 count. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Hold on. Okay, section 1. Step right foot to side and sway right, left, side sachet, and then botafogo. Continue with step forward with hitch. Section 2. Step left foot back, right foot hook, and then lock shuffle forward. Step left foot forward, quarter turn to right, recover on right foot, and crow shuffle. Section 3, make a quarter turn to left, right foot back, quarter turn to left, left foot side, cross over, recover side, and then botafogo. Forward, quarter turn to left, recover on left foot. Section 4, make a quarter diamond to right with hitch, forward, and then make a half turn, step right foot forward, half turn left, recover on the left foot, and then step right foot forward, close left foot next to right foot. Okay, let me repeat with a count. I'll do it slowly. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo called Don't Tell Me. I hope you like the music, enjoy the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye. Ciao.